I bet you didn't know your computer could be a gold miner. Well, not quite gold, but digital gold, Bitcoin. So, what is Bitcoin mining? Imagine a digital treasure hunt where powerful computers solve complex puzzles. When they crack a puzzle, they get rewarded with new Bitcoins. Simple, right? Now, to get started, you'll need a few things. First, a mining rig. Think of it as your treasure hunting machine. It can be a specialized computer or even your own PC, though specialized ones work better. Next, you'll need software to connect your rig to the Bitcoin network. There are free options like CG Miner or BFG Miner that are beginner-friendly. Then, join a mining pool. It's like teaming up with other hunters to find treasure faster and split the rewards. Popular pools include Slush Pool and Ant Pool. Finally, don't forget your digital wallet to store your earned Bitcoins. There you have it. Now you're ready to start your Bitcoin mining adventure. Happy mining, yeah.